G'day! In today's video I'm having a bit of a look at the Mechrevo 14 Plus, and I've just got into the BIOS by mashing delete and escape. Not sure which one exactly got me here, but I'm here now. And having a look here, you can see 7840HS with 780M graphics, 3.8 GHz, 16 gig of LP DDR5, 6400 MHz, a 2 terabyte 920 Pro, and not really much more on this particular page. If we go over to advanced, HD, Wi-Fi, webcam, Bluetooth, you can actually disable various ports. That is interesting. Secure enabled. Why isn't secure boot enabled? Boot, fast boot enabled. I'm going to change that to my external drive so I can reinstall Windows on it. Network stack. I'm going to disable that. Back. That's fine. And really not much else to customize here. BIOS version 20.17. Let's see if there's a new one after I finish installing it. But from here, I'm going to go save, exit, and bye bye.